Dear students, good day. I welcome you all for social science session. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Let us start our session with civics unit 1 forms of government and democracy. In this session, we are going to learn about different forms of government, meaning of democracy, definition and features of democracy. Today, many countries of the world follow different types of governments, but the modern world prefers democracy. What is government? A group of people managing the affairs of a country is called a government. The different forms of government are aristocracy, monarchy, autocracy, oligarchy, theocracy, democracy, and republic. Aristocracy, a form of government in which power is in the hands of a small privileged ruling class, that is nobles, is called aristocracy. An aristocracy is also a government ruled by or consisting of people of a high social class. For example, United Kingdom, Spain. Monarchy. A system of government ruled by a king or a queen is called monarchy. For example, Oman or Qatar. Autocracy. A system of government by one person with absolute power. Government by a single person or small group that has unlimited power or authority. For example, North Korea or Saudi Arabia. Oligarchy. A small group of people having control of a country or organization. A government or system in which power is held by a select few individuals or a small class of powerful people. Example, China or Peninsular North Korea. Theocracy, a system of government in which religious doctrines form the basis of government, headed by a priest who rules in the name of God. Simply, a country that is ruled by religious leaders. For example, Vatican. Democracy, a system of government in which eligible members in the population vote to elect their elected representatives. The party or individual who obtains a majority votes forms the government. Example, India, USA, France. Republic, a state in which supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives and which has an elected or nominated president rather than a monarchy. Example, India, Australia. What is democracy? Democracy is a form of government that allows people to choose their rulers. Only leaders elected by people should rule the country. People have the freedom to express views, freedom to organize, and freedom to protest. Definition of democracy. According to Mahatma Gandhi, true democracy cannot be worked by 20 men sitting at the center. It has to be worked from below by the people of every village. According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Features of democracy. Elected representatives of people and final decision making power to the representatives. Free and fair elections. Voting right is with equal value to those who have attained the age of 18. Fundamental rights and the protection of individual freedom. In this session, we learnt about different forms of government, democracy, definition and features of democracy, remaining all to be continued on next session. Thank you.